Hey, Dan here with 3D Auto Repair. Back working on the 1941 Chevy pickup. We've finally gotten a few of the final drivetrain pieces in. We ended up having to outsource an adapter that adapts the original 3-speed transmission to the new S10 rear end drive shaft setup. We ended up actually having to get this piece from New Zealand, of all places. There's a company down there that makes these. We got the piece in, we had it painted to match the drive shaft to keep the look underneath the vehicle the same. It was unbelievable how smooth that thing went right into the rear of the original transmission, and then accepted the new updated drive shaft for the S10 rear end. It's really nice to work with a company that makes a quality product that you can just bolt right up and everything works the way it should. Once we got that stuff all put back together, we took it down the block just to make sure everything was functioning correctly. We didn't have any strange vibrations, anything like that. You can see from the video, we still haven't put the front end of the truck back on. We want to make sure we have all the drivetrain issues ironed out. So it was really nice to get that thing back out on the road, even if it was just down the block and back. Kind of a good sense of accomplishment that we know this project is starting to come to a close. And thanks for watching. We look forward to seeing you at the shop.